You can see there is two options. There are two options. One is fix and another is fix unfix. So fix and unfix are very important tools in Allegro. If you want to change your existing design and you want to don't make any changes in the particular section, like this section, you don't want to change anything. So how can you do it? For that, you have to just fix the components, the nets, the signals in which you don't want to make any changes. For that, just select fix option. Here you can select either symbol or net or client, that means trace. So first I'm selecting this one, component, fixed. This component also I'm going to fix. This component, yes, done. So if you want to change anything, move anything, any component, this component which is fixed, you cannot do. It will ask to unfix. Same thing happens with nets also. I'm going to select nets, this one. So suppose I'm going to fix this net, this net, this net, and this net. Just done. Just go for client. Now you can see that no option is coming. If you select this one, you can see that delete option is coming. You can see here delete option is coming. But if you select these which I just recently fixed, there is no delete option. Same thing happens. Just select fixed and again select it. See, first you have to unfix this, then only you can delete it or you can move it. This is how you can utilize fix and unfix component or fix and unfix tool option in Allegro.